Good morning. So the first thing that I have in the day is my lemon water. I throw it in this jug. It's hot. You can probably still see it steaming. I put it in this big glass. And today I'm gonna throw in some maple syrup as well. So I have my glass of water, and what I do is I sit in the same spot every day, and I got my blankie here because I'm going to cozy up and I'm going to meditate. And it's good to meditate in the same spot every day because then the energy is kind of built up. And so when you come to sit in your spot to meditate, I mean, it's easier to get into meditation that way when the energy builds up, and it just raises the vibration of your home as well. So there's a meditation tip. So I am going to finish the my lemon water, my meditation, my lemon water, and then I'm going to check back in. I'm going to show you what I have pre-workout and post-workout. So today is Pilates. So I'm going to meditate and do a little bit of work and then head off to the gym, and I will check back in with you. Sachi, say hi to the camera. Hi guys, I'm still drinking my lemon water with a little bit of maple syrup. I will continue this trend all day long. I am just getting ready to make my green juice. So excited. So I will check back in and I will share some green juice with you. Cheers. Glass of this delicious green juice. Yay. Now I'm enjoying my green juice. I will finish this and then I will meet you back here to show you what I eat before I go to Pilates. So I just want to stop and talk just a little bit about this green juice because I love it so much. I drink this every day, sometimes twice a day. Sometimes I drink it when I'm making dinner for my family so that I don't go off my raw vegan diet. Oh, I have a little bit of green juice right here. Anyway, in this juice, this particular juice, we got a big bag of zucchini from some people that we know and from some local farmers, and it makes the green juice like that much better. So if you can get all local produce, or if you can get all organic, like the fresher, like the better the juice. Like if you buy it in a bottle, it's okay, but when you make it yourself, it is so light, so fresh, so crisp. I just absolutely love it. It's so good. I had to like do a little juice infomercial in the middle of my what I eat in a day. I'm just about ready to head off to the gym. This is my smoothie. I will drink half of it on my way to the gym, and I will finish the second half of it, the rest of it, on my way home. This has bananas, blueberries, mixed nut butter, vegan protein powder, spirulina, cacao mushrooms, like the powdered mushrooms that are so good for you, and coconut milk. It's really good and it's really satisfying. All those flavors blend together so nicely and it gives me so much energy. Post-workout, more water, more lemon water, and I have just about completed my juice. Yay! I just had my shower. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat my lunch. Lunch today is this delicious. I have apples from a friend's tree, so they're all organic. I wish I could send the smell to you guys. They just smell so fresh, so delicious, so energizing. Then I have these delicious roll-ups with lettuce, a little bit of liquid aminos, hummus, broccoli sprouts, and you know the little red mini bell peppers, some of those in there too. So savory and so good. And then if I'm still hungry for dessert, I have some grapes. So excited to eat them. They are so good. And the thing about grapes is the last time I ate grapes, I went on just like a one-day grape, just a grape fast. And the next day when I woke up, I had so much energy. I got so much stuff done. It was incredible. So see you at my next meal. Bye. I am just getting ready to make dinner for myself and for my family. So I have this banana and I have my leftover green juice from my big glass this morning. So this is what I'm gonna have as I'm preparing the food so that I'm not tempted at all to eat their food, and plus because I'm getting hungry again. So I've learned on this way of eating, the raw vegan diet, to eat when you are hungry. And so you just feel really, I guess you could say, content. You don't feel full with a bellyache, but you just feel content. So this is my snack, my banana and my green juice. See you guys at dinner. Bye. Thank you, beautiful soul, for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others.